In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Hostinger account. To begin, open the Hostinger sign-up page. When the registration form appears on your screen, take a moment to look it over so you know where each option is located. Near the bottom of the form, you will see the sign-up option. Click on that to start creating your account. Once you are on the sign-up screen, you will be asked to choose a registration method. Hostinger gives you more than one way to create an account, which makes the process quick and flexible depending on what you prefer. Read the available options carefully and select the one that works best for you. If you want to register using your email, click into the email field and type your email address in the space provided. Make sure the address is entered correctly, since this will usually be tied to your account access and future communication. It is always a good idea to double-check for typing mistakes before moving forward, especially if you are creating an account you plan to use for hosting or website management. If you would rather use an existing profile to speed things up, you can choose the Google option instead. Clicking Google allows you to connect an existing Google profile with Hostinger. This can make the registration process faster because some information is handled automatically through that connected account. If that is the option you prefer, select it and complete the connection process on your screen. After choosing your registration method and entering the needed information, click Continue. This confirms your details and moves the process forward. At this point, Hostinger will finish setting up your account. In most cases, this only takes a moment. Once that is done, your Hostinger account is ready to use. You can then move on to whatever you need next, whether that is exploring the dashboard, reviewing available hosting options, or preparing to build a website. The important part is that your account has now been created successfully. As a quick tip, make sure you use a registration method that you can access easily later. That will help you avoid sign-in issues and make account recovery simpler if you ever need it. That covers everything you need to know.